If you want to become a video editor, there are some things you need to put in place for your journey to be smooth. You can't just wake up one morning and say you want to become a video editor. There are some questions you need to ask yourself. Why do you want to become a video editor, and what is your goal? Is it that you have a friend that is doing video editing and is making a lot of money and you feel like, yeah, there's money there, I want to be that person? Or you feel like video editing is very cool, you know, it looks nice to do. Or you see all the effects and all the beautiful things you see on screen and be like, wow, these things are cool, I want to do them. You need to answer all these questions for you to get started. After asking yourself all of those questions, you are sure you want to become a video editor, you have a good reason for it, then you have to choose your learning resources. There is nothing you can become or nothing you can do without knowledge. Video editing requires knowledge of computer, knowledge of the software, knowledge of cameras, and a lot of other things. So you have to choose your learning resources, acquire knowledge before you can move on. Do you want to go to school to learn it? Do you want to meet a friend that knows how to do it to teach you? Do you want to be self-taught, you know, go online? Just choose your learning resources and then acquire the knowledge and necessary skills that it takes for you to become a video editor. Number 3, choose your tools. If you want to become a video editor, you need tools. You need a computer, you need your softwares, you need plugins, you need a lot of things put together for you to become an editor. During your learning process, you'll be introduced to all of those tools, so make necessary research and choose your tools. For editing software, you have Premiere Pro, you have DaVinci Resolve, you have Final Cut, which work only on Mac. You have a lot of softwares to choose from. And then for your computer, we have Mac, we have PC, we have different brand of PC, and a lot of other things you will need. There are some things you'll not be introduced to, but in your journey as you go on, you get to know other things that are needed, and then you can get them. Just make proper research and choose the tools that will work best for you. Now, if you've chosen your learning resources, you've learned a lot of things, you've practiced, and you know the basic things that you need to know for you to get started as a video editor. Then start applying for jobs. Those jobs will help you strengthen your skills, give you necessary experiences for you to become one of the best editors out there in the future. Now, a lot of people will learn editing and want to become freelancer. I will suggest you first of all apply for jobs, work under a company, work under someone. It will help you with time management, it will help you with a lot of things. And if you are working for someone or you are working for a company, you will have access to tools that if you have to buy them, it will take you a lifetime savings. You can work with a company where they use the best camera. On your own, you can't get it, but you work for them, you use the camera for their job. That way, you are also learning how to use that camera and you're expanding your knowledge. So I would suggest you look for a company, work there for a while, gain your experiences, expand your knowledge, then you can become a freelancer.